Hi guys, Teacher Tads here. Today ay pag-uusapan natin paano nga ba gumawa ng action research proposal using the suggested Department of Education template. Our practice. Kung may mga practice ka nang ginagawa, yung action research yung tutulong sa atin para mas maging mapaigi pa to at mas ma-improve yung ating sariling own practices. So yan yung kahalagahan ng action research. What are the steps in conducting an action research? Number 1, determine if action research is the best design to use. Tama nga ba na action research yung gagamitin mo dito or it is other type of research? Number 2, identify the problem to study. Kailangan alamin mo yung problema na iyong pag-aaralan. Number 3, locate resources to help address the problem. Ano ba yung mga kinakailangan mo para matulungan ka pa sa pag-address ng problem? Number 4, identify the information you will need. Ano ba yung mga kailangan mong information para masagot mo ang iyong action research problem. After which, implement the data collection. Kailangan, kung nakuha mo na yung mga data na kailangan mo din, implement it in your action research. Next, analyze the data. Intindihin mo, analyze mo using the different graphs and tables or any data analysis method. And last but not the least, implement the plan and reflect. So dito mo na kailangang gawin yung plano mo at mag-reflect ka ba kung naging effective ba yung pagplano mo o hindi sa iyong ginawang action research. So guys, to help you summarize the steps in doing an action research, please refer to this graph. Number 1, identify the problem. Proceed by devise a plan. Next, act to implement your plan. Then, observe by collecting and analyzing your data. And last, by reflecting and sharing kung naging effective ba o ano pa yung kailangang dapat mong improve. Remember this action research cycle. To recap, number 1, problem identification. Number 2, action is planned. Number 3, action carried out. Number 4, action observed and reflected upon. And number 5, problem is redefined. Okay? At ngayon, alamin na natin kung paano ba ang mga paraan sa paggawa ng iyong action research proposal. Are you ready? So, let's proceed. Of course, yung pinaka-importante, kailangan alam mo kung ano yung iyong research title. But guys, wag po kayong ma-burden sa research title. Pwede nyo munang gawin yung part 2 hanggang part 9 before going to the action research title. But kung meron naman kayong action research, then unahin nyo na yung paggawa ng action research title. Next, part 2, your context and rationale. Dito papasok ano ba yung konteksto mo kung bakit mo naisip yung pagbuo ng yung action research. Ipasok mo na rin dito yung mga references mo, review of related literature, ano ba yung mga past studies na ginawa ng iba't ibang authors, mga journals, and of course, your own context inside your classroom kung bakit mo nga naisipang gawin yung action research. Part 3, action research questions. Dito papasok yung mga tanong mo para at the end of your research, ito yung mga sasagutin mong tanong. Ano ba yung mga tanong mo? Basically, statement of the problem lang siya sa isang basic research. Okay? Part 4, propose innovation, intervention, and strategy. Guys, remember this. Pwedeng isa lang to, pwedeng innovation lang siya, pwedeng intervention lang siya, at pwedeng strategy lang. But kung meron kayong innovation, intervention, at strategy at yung pagsasamahin, pwede po yan. Dito papasok yung mga naiisip mong innovation, intervention, and strategy for your action research. Part 5 is your action research methods. May tatlong napapailalim dito ang iyong participants and or other sources of data and or information. Basically, yung mga participants natin dito ay ang ating mga estudyante. Next, letter B, data gathering methods. Ano ba yung methods na gagawin mo? Ano yung mga instrument na gagamitin mo sa pagbuo ng iyong action research? And last, letter C is your data analysis plan. Ano yung mga plano mo? Ano yung instrumento na gagamitin mo sa pagbuo ng iyong data analysis? Okay, now let's proceed to part 6. Action research, work plan, and timelines. Dito papasok kung saan ka magsisimula at saan magtatapos ang iyong research. So basically, yun lang yung work plan mo and timelines. Dapat alam mo yun bilang isang researcher. Next, part 7, cost estimates. Bakit may cost estimates dito? Kasi ito pong action research ay pwede nating i-apply sa birth of Basic Education Research Fund. Ito yung funding sources ng DepEd. Pwede mong ilagay yung iyong mga cost estimates, yung mga gagastusin mo sa iyong research. Okay? Next, part 8 is your plans for dissemination and utilization. Ano ba yung plano mo kung paano mo ipapalaganap ang iyong action research at paano ito makakatulong sa ibang teachers. And last is your references. Ano ba yung mga references mo na pinagkunan? Ito lang basically yung references ay yung bibliography. So take note of this format. Yan po yung ginagamit na format ng DepEd for your action research template proposal. Okay? Okay, so for my last words, these are the coping strategies for you to finish your action research. Number 1, don't give up. Number 2, enlist the help of colleagues. Number 3, keep positive attitude. Number 4, be prepared to compromise. Number 5, be generous. Number 6, go public. Number 7, join a local action research group. Number 8, establish a reputation for success. Number 9, publish reports in journals. And last but not the least, have faith in your own knowledge. So thank you guys. I hope you enjoy this video at nakatulong sa inyo para mabuo ang inyong action research. Once again, Teacher Ted's here. Bye-bye!